How to make almost anything and make it matter really teaches you the tools for making, but then kind of the problem-solving process for how you can use those tools for impact. Human-centered design is all about understanding the problem first before you start making solutions.
I'm an architecture major, so I'm really interested in 3D modeling and everything like that.
I bring in external clients that bring in real problems. I think it kind of makes it much higher impact, higher stakes than just like a normal assignment. The changes I've made is first making all of the lab supplies that would fit into a large, if it fits, it ships box. And that was done for a reason, so that if for some reason somebody had to go into quarantine or had to go home, for me it's a small cost just to ship it to them, and that they can still stay on task and stay up to date on the projects and still get the hands-on experience.
What I really like about this class is it teaches us how to take our ideas that we have inside our heads and we put it on paper, and then recreate prototypes and bring it to the 3D physical space that we have.
That's all part of the, being creative, being inventive, trying things, not being afraid to experiment and fail and, see what works.